Lovely. So basically, I'm going to start it and show you exactly how to do this one. Before I start anything, what I'm going to do, I've got some sea moss, and I'm going to be using some sea moss with it. All right. So it's going to be very super nice, and it's going to be fun. All right. So 1 tablespoon of good sea moss. If you want to get some good sea moss, go to oceanmoss.co.uk. Watch the video on my YouTube channel and see how I make it. All right, guys, stay tuned in and let's make this together. So right there, 1 tablespoon of good sea moss. I'm gonna just put a little bit more in it. Lovely. All right, now, also, what we're gonna do, we're gonna get some garlic. All right, seems weird, isn't it? But we're gonna get some garlic. But garlic works really well with a lot of different kind of recipes, which I would encourage you guys to do at home. All right, so we're gonna get some beautiful garlic for you guys to put also inside of it. All right, now 2 cloves of garlic inside of it. All right. Also, we're gonna get some ginger. All right. Right here, we got some ginger. We got roughly 3 pieces of ginger straight inside of it. Right here, I have some okra. This is some okra right here. I use 2 medium-sized okra straight inside of it. All right, now it's coming on to the beautiful part of it. Cucumber, organic cucumber. So right here, I'm using some organic cucumber straight inside of it. I'm using half of an organic cucumber, and I remove the skin. Also, if you like to, it's option, you don't have to. We're gonna put some organic honey inside of it, roughly about a teaspoon of organic honey. All right, just option, you don't have to. Now we're not gonna put any water in any apple cider vinegar or lemon. We're gonna use it naturally like this. All right, now we're gonna put roughly half cups of water into it. All right, beautiful and nice. Let's put a little bit more water with the ingredients. Now, what we're gonna do, all right, we're gonna simple put the lid for blending it. All right. Here it is. All right. And that's the way it looks right here. Every ingredient's inside of it. Now we're gonna take it to the blend. Lovely. Now, I just finish blend it. All right. Now, as I said, it's super nice. All right, guys. And I know you guys definitely will love this. So look at this right here. All right. Beautiful and nice. Now, what I'm going to do is simply pour it out into this cup right here. All right. That is lovely and nice. Fantastic. All right, now tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. All right, and this is what happened. Wow, that is amazing. Wow, beautiful. Now, I love this kind of recipe, guys. All right, and trust me, this is what I'm talking about. All right, when I said let's make something lovely and nice, then here it is. We're gonna serve it up like this. Please enjoy it, guys. It is beautiful. It is fantastic. It is amazing. The flavor, the texture, everything is so lovely. And I know you guys definitely will love this. All right. Tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. And please subscribe to the YouTube channel. As I say, we got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo to you. See you next time. Bye-bye.